We do offer what we call our precise comfort maintenance plan. This plan essentially can be purchased annually or monthly. We're here for everybody's budget. We want to make sure we're there for every customer. With that plan, we come out twice a year and service and do a routine maintenance on that air conditioning unit. That includes checking all components are within manufacturer specification. We're going to go through and flush that drain line. We're going to check the indoor and outdoor unit to make sure everything's working and there's no causes for concerns. Technician's going to go through this with the homeowners and explain, may recommend this, may recommend that, or you know what, your unit's fantastic and just keep up the good work. They also will check the air conditioning filters for the homeowners, and if one's supplied, they will change it for them. With this plan, they do also get a $0 trip fee. That means if your unit's not working, we need to come out and do a service. It is normally a $99 trip fee. That is waived being a member. With the plan, you do get a 15% off any repair work that needs to be done for your unit. You do get a complimentary plumbing inspection, complimentary electrical inspection, and you also do get a $500 credit towards a new unit should you need one. We've got you covered on that too.